Okay, so here's our site, Simple WordPress 2, and it's working here. But how do we put it live? And to put it live, you need a host. I'm using Bluehost here, and the first thing that I want to do is I want to create a subdomain, and that will be where my WordPress site will go. You don't have to do this, it's just convenient, makes it real simple. So with a subdomain, I just enter Simple WordPress 2, that'll be my subdomain. You know what, I'm just going to call it Simple WordPress, be the name of my .kingluddite.com, and then when I hit tab, it's going to create a folder and it's going to drop everything that I add up or FTP to that folder. So I hit create, and so the subdomain is created. And I'm going to go back to the control panel, and now that I'm on the control panel, I want to create a user. So each host is a little bit different. Here's my FTP. I want to create a FTP account for this, and this is going to be called Simple WordPress. Password's going to be something really simple, just for this example. And create. Passwords don't match. Let's try this again. And create FTP account. So we got the FTP account created, and now what we need to do is create our database. So we go down here to MySQL databases, and I've got to create a database. This is going to be called Simple WordPress, and create database. So that's created. I'm going to go back, and it's kinglud underscore simple WordPress. So that's that, and I got to create a user. I'm just going to call this Simple WordPress. Can't be longer, so it's going to be Simple WP, kinglud WP. Password, something simple for this example. Create user, and now I have my database and my user, and I got to go back and I need to connect the database, which is, here's the database, Simple WordPress with the user, and I'm going to say add, and I'm going to give this user all privileges and make changes. And so now everything is set up and ready to rock and roll. Well, the one thing, since we're going live, we definitely don't want to put up on the live site is our SQL information. So I have a database folder, so I'm going to delete that folder. And so now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go and make a zip of that. So all I did is I right-clicked on this folder and said make send to compressed format. It created this file, and I'm going to upload this using my files panel on my host. So I'm in Bluehost File Manager, and I want to point to the folder that I'm interested in, which is going to be the King Luddite Simple WordPress 1. And there it is. I'm going to go to that folder, and what I'm going to do is upload that zip file that I have. And there it is. I'm just going to upload it, and then down here it's starting the upload. Okay, and it's complete. I got to select this file and extract it by clicking here. And says, hey, where do you want to put it? Well, I'm going to extract it like that. Does the work. I refresh my page. Now everything is inside here, so what I want to do is grab everything here by selecting all and moving it up to the main directory. There's probably an easier way to do this, but it's the way I did it. And so now if I go up one level, my site is there.